Prosopisjuliflora is an invasive plant species invading a large plot of area in Afar and Somali regional states. It causes serious threats to the environment, negatively impacting pasture lands and arable fields. This invasive plant is assumed to invade about 2 million hectares of land in the above-mentioned regions.
The tree was very dense. It's torn, puncturing our skins and animals. It invaded our grazing land. We were extremely in difficult situation for raising livestock. It killed our cattle.
Ethiopian Ministry of Industry, through climate change sector reform performance project, transformed this pressing challenge into opportunities by mechanically harvesting the plant to use it as alternative fuel for cement industries in Ethiopia through research and technology transfer.
ይሄ ፕሮጀክት በአውሮፓ ህብረት የክላይሜት ቼንጅ ሴክተር ሪፎርም ፐርፎርማንስ በጀት ሰፖርት የተጀመረ ፕሮጀክት ነው።
This project started by the European Union Climate Change Sector Reform Performance Budget support as one of the implementers, Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Ministry of Industry in 2020. The primary aim of this project is to reduce carbon emissions of cement production which use intensive energy. As it is known in our country, cement production share 70% of carbon emission from the industry sector.
The mechanical harvesting process starts with BMH 480 biomass harvester machine. When the bunker is full, it dumps the biomass onto a forwarding tractor, which brings the harvested biomass to the collection area. A containerized truck trailer is used to transport the biomass to National Cement Factory as its final destination. A loader is used for loading the biomass onto the truck trailer. The trailer truck which left the collection center of the harvested biomass has now arrived at the cement factory and starts dumping the biomass chips. The National Cement Factory, found in the town of Diredawa, has already invested a total of 1.2 million euro for the installation of the new biomass feeding system to be used along with the local feeding unit.
Previously, we imported fossil fuels from abroad, especially from South Africa, as alternative energy. Now, we have started to use biomass instead of fossil fuel. As a result, we were able to reduce our carbon emission due to cement production.
Apart from using the biomass as alternative fuel in cement factories, the climate change sector reform performance project has also brought many benefits to the community.
This project, led by Ministry of Industry, cleared the land. Now we are able to use it. Our cattle get enough grazing. We can plant cotton, onion, tomato, and other products.
The harvesting machine clears the plant only on the surface. The de-root machine, named RT400, prepares the way for the tractor and remove the root of Prosopisjuliflora in order to clear the land for cultivation. Here is a cotton planted by the community. To reduce carbon footprint from the industry sector, promoting green cement is one of the strategic plans of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Ministry of Industry. This pilot project is supported by European Union, alludes that.
In this pilot project, we have supplied around 11,000 tons of dry biomass only for National Cement Share Company. This implies we substitute 7,600 tons of imported coal. As a result, we were able to save 70,338 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. Conveys that when we transform into full-scale implementation, in a position to save 1.4 million carbon emissions and $200 million foreign exchange annually.
The climate change sector reform performance project has brought multifaceted benefits to the environment by reducing emission from center factories and reclaiming grazing and cultivation land for the community at large.